There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Let's go ahead and take a look at the one pair data for the week as always. We can see that USD CAD has continued to do its thing. AUD NZD has taken some losses this week. Euro JPY has made some profit. As well, Euro NZD is coming back a little bit, but you can see some of these have, you can see where the action is happening, right? The ones farthest have taken the nearest trades, and that's some JPY, that's some NZD, and Euro CHF even has been falling off a cliff. So we know that JPY pairs are not recommended. We know that CHF pairs are not recommended. We know that there are other pairs that are on the worst performers list, like Euro NZD, and we put them on the list prior to them falling off a cliff. So it's good that we've taken note of these things, and as long as customers are keeping up with these things, they should be seeing the same exact thing. We can go ahead and let's run through some VPSs here and get right into it. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if we take a look here at Cloud Trader, we're taking a look here. This is NZD CAD, which has been added to a worst performers list. NZD CAD has railed through a bunch of stop losses over the last few weeks. GBP CHF as well has taken some trades and hit some stop losses and seems like it's waiting out, taking some new trades. It has hit its max level. We may need to increase that as it is GBP CHF to allow it to take more levels. Coming through, AUD USD has no open trades on the week. USD CHF did 4% on the week. CHF JPY did not make any profit on the week. CAD JPY is in 14% drawdown on the week on this $500 data account. AUD NZD is in drawdown of 23% on this $500 data account, running and doing its thing. AUD CHF is currently in a floating profit of over 6.81% and on its way to take profit. So we're here, take profits there. It's going to run for a little bit of money. We could just close all these trades right now and enjoy our 6.7%, but we like to let GearBox do its thing on these accounts. They're data accounts, they're for data gathering. We are using Ghost plus Real and swing settings and all these. They could get out sooner if we were using double take profit or something along those lines. USD JPY, as always, a worse performer and something to run away from. Euro AUD is not taking trades there. Okay, 12.7% drawdown on Euro JPY. Again, it's a JPY pair. It's not recommended. Euro CHF, we're in 25% drawdown. Going on, GBP AUD, no open trades for the week. GBP CAD, no open trades for the week. GBP JPY, no open trades for the week. GBP NZD, no open trades for the week. And GBP USD is in a 7% drawdown. NZD JPY, no trades for the week. NZD CHF, no trades for the week. Euro GBP, no trades for the week. AUD CAD, no trades for the week. Euro NZD is making some money back, as we mentioned. It's up 6% for the week. And that's our one pair data for the week. Let's take a look, see if anybody has any questions going on in the chat right now. No questions in the chat right now. So, obviously GearBox is doing what GearBox does best. It's making some money. It has some pairs that lose some money. Hopefully the pairs losing some money, you're not running, because they are on the non-recommended pairs list. Try to keep things really simple. So, we do have the latest versions of GearBox coming out very soon, and there's going to be a big announcement around GearBox Pro when it comes out, so stay tuned for that very, very soon. But let's go ahead and take a look at the upcoming week ahead and what news we're looking at. So, as you know, today was NFP week. That did start at 8:30 a.m. Going into the next week, though, if we filter here by red folders only, okay, we can see that NFP's ending today, and we're moving into next week. Nothing on Monday, as Monday is Labor Day. It is a holiday. Hope you all enjoy your long weekend. Tuesday, RBA cash rate statements, monetary policy report hearings, BOC rate statement, overnight rate, RBA Governor Lau speaks, main refinancing rate, monetary, basically AUD, GBP, Canadian, Euro, USD, all of these pairs have lots of red folder news this week. I'd say it's definitely going to be a little bit of a volatile week. Got some red folders between a lot of the bigger currency pair bases and crosses, right? So expect a little bit of volatility this week. Not too much, but definitely expect some volatility. And other than that, GearBox is going to keep doing what GearBox does. I've seen some amazing customers. I actually saw a customer's account yesterday. He deposited $90,000 about 6 months ago or so. And as of today, he's up a little over $30,000. Yeah, it's not the largest gains in the world, but gains are gains, and making money is making money. So very excited with the results GearBox continues to get for people, unlike many products that exist in the industry of expert advisors. GearBox has continued to be a consistent expert advisor and only is getting better and better with the optimizations being made. So I appreciate every one of you that is using the GearBox Expert Advisor and seeing success with it. And I look forward to the release of the latest version of GearBox and GearBox Pro to come, because there's some really exciting features to come with it, and I'm so excited to get it out to every single one of you. But with that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your weekend and a phenomenal Labor Day ahead. It's a great Labor Day weekend, so I hope you all enjoy it and have a blast.